Hello, good morning followers of Christ. Today as I share to you the verse that I have read today. So it is about the judgment of God to every righteous. So we all know that we don't have rights to judge every other people that have sinned, especially if they are from this world. So we don't have rights to judge them, because if we do this the same, then we are judging them the same. So we are just self-righteousness. But at least if we are a servant of God, so alam natin na ano yung dapat na gagawin. So we are like condemning people while we are making ourselves perfect. So I believe na sa ating paghatol, tayo ay hatulan din ng Diyos. Siyempre hindi natin dapat gagawin yan sapagkat tayo ngayon walang karapatan, but we have the rights to rebuke every believer. So if you are a believer of Christ, so you have rights to rebuke every sin that they have done, because we have the authority God has given to us. But to every sinner, to every unbeliever, we don't have rights them to judge, sapagkat ang Diyos lamang ang makapag-uhusga sa kanila. Then I believe that you have learned from this day, followers of Christ. You don't have rights to judge other, but God can only judge people. So yan, isang mapagpalang araw sa inyo at ikaw nga ay magbabasa rin ng Bible. Bye, God bless, and shalom.